Good that I purchased online. Had to purchase stabilizer separately, which should be part of the product. The product is very good with good price. I would like to thank seller as I got it next. Very good product at a reasonable price. Using it for last 15 days. Chills the room, 150 square feet within 10 minutes. Consuming the same current as been claimed by the Whirlpool, 5 amp. Tested by my electrician, and once again Amazon proved its name by delivering it on the next day of order. Product is good, it's cooling my 10x12 SQFT room. Good one, but at least you should provide the stabilizer with this. Best AC. The product is good, but the service by concerned company is worst. Firstly, nobody contacted me for installation and I had to make many calls to get connected. Secondly, I was offered to install it for 200 rupees, but the service guy asked for 750 rupees to install and another 750 to remove my old AC. Just irritating services from Whirlpool. Go for it if only you have some known service guys. Purchased machine through Amazon. The delivery was swift and prompt. Happy. Superb performance. AC was good. It was able to cool perfectly. But after a year it used to do a pathetic sound when the compressor used to stop. It was really horrible. But note it was purchased during 2006. So maybe that pathetic sound being corrected with newer model. Click link in description for more reviews.